My name is Marty McCutcheon, and this is the Roundtable Postal Collage Project number 3. It's groups of individuals creating sets of artworks in a sequential pattern where they pass works in progress to one another through the postal services. Each group has 5 participants. Each person receives back the collage that they started after their 4 co-workers have made their contributions to it. There were probably 80 to 85 people involved. The youngest was 7 years old, and the oldest 78, 79. There are 11 countries represented, but it's mostly Bay Area. So it's supposed to be a little bit like life, where you can have your say, but you can't control how other people receive what you say. You could try to influence people, but you can't require that they understand or agree with you. When you have your work in front of you, it's totally your choice how you contribute. I do have 2 roles because I do participate in some of the groups. So I do work on collages, but I also consider myself to be the coordinator. What makes it a collaboration is that everyone is relying on everyone else to get the material moving, to keep the thing alive. And also celebrating this diversity and sometimes being inspired and surprised by what other people do too. All 3 shows look very different. They have a different feeling. In a sense, they say different things. When the first show exhibits here at the Schumann block, high ceilings and big white boxy space, describes the process. The same 5 people worked on these 5 pieces. Ramones Taylor, of course, is in some sense an opposite of that. It's a very small space. The public can walk right in. It has exposure to it right on the sidewalk, and it's in an international city. The show at Ramones Taylor describes the correspondences that happen even when people are not working together. Our tendencies to use certain kinds of images, regardless of whether we're in the same group or not, and so that's some of the commonalities that I'm looking for when I make these clusters. Ramones Taylor is the best example of the exhibition in which I affect the look of the thing. And then the third show is to bring it back here and present it as one single large mosaic. It gives a sense that everybody is collaborating in the same project. It's not just groups, that we're all actually, as much as we're individuals, we're parts of our groups, and we're part of a larger group.